Welcome student, class 2nd, subject TVS, lesson number 2nd, that is festival.
Hello student, here is your second lesson, that is festivals. Student, we are living in India. India is the land of festival. India is known as a land of festival because we are celebrating different festivals for every month. So that's why people in the world, they are saying, or India is known as the land of festival. Okay student, so here we are going to take some information about these some festivals. First festival is there, Holi. First festival is there, Holi. If you know very well about the Holi, because when we think about the Holi, we feel very happy because it is the festival of colors, beautiful colors, and life is fully with the color. We are having a lot of colors in our life and we are enjoying it. So here is the Holi. When Holi is there, we are very happy. Holi is the festival of colors. Holi is the festival of colors. People play with the dry color, that is the gulal, as well as colored water. They also apply the colored water on each other. A special sweet gujia, is made on this festival. During this festival, people sing and dance. What are the speciality of this? First of all, Holi is the festival of color. Next thing, that is, people play with the gulal during this festival, or they are applying the colored water on each other. On that occasion, people they made the gujia, which is the special dish on that day, and they are eating. They are dancing, they are singing on this occasion. In this way, this is the festival of color, which is the very much beautiful and enthusiastic, and we are celebrating it very enthusiastically. Okay, I hope you are also celebrating this festival. Okay student, now we will take the next festivals information. Now, next festival is the Raksha Bandhan. I know that this festival you like more because this festival, it shows the bond of love between sister and brothers. On this festival, what are you doing? That is, sister ties the Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers and taking the promise from her brother that he would protect her for a long time, for a lifeline, or for a lifelong. Okay, and she is demanding the gift from her brother. So what is there? We will see Raksha Bandhan is the festival of bond of love between brothers and sisters. Sister tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers. They pray for their well-being. Brothers promise to protect their sister in all ways. Okay, in all ways, he promised that his sister, I will protect you from all ways. Means in every situation, I will be behind with you. I will be there, and this is the festival of love between the sister and brother. And this festival we enjoy a lot because sisters are getting the gifts and brothers are very excited to tie the Rakhi on the wrist from his sisters. Okay, so this is the festival we are celebrating, and this festival falls on August month. Okay. अगस्त मंथ में मोस्टली हमने देखा ये फेस्टिवल आता है, and that day there was a Naradi Purnima also there. We are celebrating in Maharashtra Naradi Purnima also, and this Raksha Bandhan festival very enthusiastically. Everyone is very happy on that day. Okay, so this is the festival of Raksha Bandhan. Now we will see the festival of Dasera. Dasera is celebrated for the 10 days. Yes. And what is doing the people for that time? They are watching the Ram Leela. Ram Leela tells us, it is the play, it is the one of the drama that tells us that how Rama, means Lord Rama, has victory on the Ravana. Yes. And on the last day of the festival, effigies of Ravana, son, his brother Kumbhakarna and son Meghnad are burnt. Okay. What it shows this event marks the victory of good over evil. See, the student, every festival having its meaning. That means we have to take it properly. Meaning, Dasera shows that good victory over the evil. Means it shows that if your thoughts are the bad, then you have to cover that thought with the good thoughts. Okay. We should apply those things in our life. This is happening in the Uttar Bharat, means North India में ये सब होता है. In our Maharashtra, how we are celebrating Dasera? There is a Ghat Sthapana. 9 days there was a Ghat Sthapana. Then we are taking the soil, and in the soil we are pouring all the seeds in that, and mama and father, they are giving the water every day, and they are seeing that which seed it is developed properly. Now by that, what they are judging that what should we have to sow in the farm. Means by that they can understood which crop will be there in the next few months. So that is in our Maharashtra. Even in Maharashtra, what we are doing the Durga Puja also. 9 days there was a Durga Mata in our villages. So what it is shows that Durga Mata has killed one Asur. Means Asura, what it shows, same like Ram has killed the Ravan. Means it is the bad, good over bad. Means good की जय हो गई bad के ऊपर. वैसे ही and Durga Mata has killed the one Asur. Means it shows that good victory on the evil. ओके, तो ये जो बैड थिंकिंग है, बैड थिंग्स है, वो हमें निकालने हैं, और जो गुड थिंग्स है उसके ऊपर हमें काम करना है. हमें पॉजिटिव रहना है. हमें बहुत अच्छे भारत के नागरिक बनना है. वी वांट टू बी इंडियाज गुड फाउंडेशन. यू आर द फाउंडेशन स्टूडेंट. नाउ योर जनरेशन इज गोइंग टू कम एंड द नेक्स्ट future for India. So we want the future is bright, because this is the era, is the technology era, and we don't know that which is the bad thing, which is the good thing. We must have to know, and for that purpose we need the value education. Student, we are celebrating festival in our India. It's different names are there, different festivals are there in other different places, but it is celebrated for the good things, for the positive changes, and for the good environment. So that's why we are celebrating this. You must have to observe all the things. I have told you about the Maharashtra also, how we are celebrating, and here in the North India also celebrating like this. That is the Dasera. They are celebrating for the 10 days like us, and they are having the Ram Leela plays for every day. They are watching the Ram Leela, and they are taking the value education, means value moral from that story, is that Rama has killed that Ravana. Means Rama is the good character. Means Rama is the good, all the positive things, all the positive thoughts, and it has killed to the Ravana. Means Ravana is the bad thing, bad habits, bad thoughts. So ये सब क्या होता है, last day, on the last day, what they are doing, the effigies of the Ravana and the Kumbhakarna and the son Meghnad, what they are doing, they are going to burn that effigies. They are burning those evil, those things, those bad thoughts. So we have to do on that day, and we are enjoying this Dasera for the 10 days. Okay, student, I hope you have understood, and you should collect the other information how Dasera is celebrated to in different places in our India that you have to collect the information. Now we will turn to the next that is the Pongal. Pongal festival we have to take the information right now. This is the festival that is the Pongal. Pongal is the main festival of the Tamil Nadu. Actually, this is the harvesting festival. After rice harvesting, they are celebrating this festival, and this festival is worship for the sun, rain, and cow. Okay, this festival is celebrated for the 3 days in the month of January. Means we are celebrating Makar Sankranti like this. They are celebrating this Pongal festival. They are having the 3 days. It is fell on the 14th Jan. They are worship for the sun, rain, and cow. First day, what they are doing? They are having the Pongal, Bhogi Pongal. We are having the Bhogi when there is a Makar Sankranti that time also. What we are doing? We are making the mixed vegetables and bajra's bhakri. Okay, in this way they are celebrating in the Maharashtra. That is the first day, that is called as Bhogi Pongal. Second day is the Thai Pongal. On that day, what they are doing? They are worshipping the god Sun. Sun की पूजा करते हैं Thai Pongal के दिन. This is the second day of the Pongal. And third day, there is a Mattu Pongal. On that day, they are worshipping to the cattle, means cow. Okay, they are worshipping for the cows on that day. These 3 days, they are celebrating the Pongal, and this is the main festival of the Tamil Nadu. What is the meaning of the Pongal? It is the rice. Pongal का meaning क्या है? Rice. And on that day they are preparing the dish. It is called as the Pongal. This dish is prepared by the rice. They are taking that rice. They are boiling the rice in the pot with mixing with the they are mixing eggs. They are mixing that milk and jaggery in that, and they are taking that sweet dish on that day. Okay, I hope that you have got this information. We have seen that Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Dasera and Pongal. We have taken the information in this lesson. Now, student, you have to read this lesson, and also you have to collect the information of the different festivals from the India. I hope you have understood. Bye bye.
In our country, Lohri, Durga Puja and Bihu are some of the other festivals that are celebrated in our country. So student, in this way we have completed this lesson. You have to read it now.